Hi, I'm Jenny.
I'm Oscar, and today we're going to be showing you how to make fat balls to feed your birds. To make your fat balls, you will need some old yogurt pots, 1 spoon, some scissors, a skewer, string, lard, and some other lovely ingredients to mix with your lard. Firstly, you need to poke a hole in the bottom of your yogurt pot and thread some string through. Now we have stuck some sellotape on the bottom of ours to ensure there's no leaking. Next, you need to melt the lard, but remember to get an adult to help.
So along with the lard, that's going to give birds loads of calories and help give them loads of energy, we're going to mix in lots of other nice things that our birds like to eat. So you need about twice as much lard as you do to your other ingredients. And what we've got some porridge oats, some dried fruit, and a nice mixed wild bird seed. But you can also put in other things like unsalted peanuts. And these are all things that your birds are going to absolutely love.
Next, you need to get an adult to pour your melted lard into the bowl with all your other ingredients. Next, you need to mix up all the ingredients and put them in your yogurt pots. Once you've filled your yogurt pots, you need to put them in the fridge to set. After they set, take them out of their mould and hang them up in the garden for your birds.